A gold rush at Costco. They've been selling out of gold bars. They recently started selling online, random thing to sell.
But are these a good investment? On your sides, Christine Lazar is here to talk about this. You talked to an expert about this.
Yeah.
It's like one of those weird things that when it goes for sale, we talk about it like, oh, who's going to do that? And
well,
now they
obviously
love
lots
it.
of people did. I mean, remember they made all those headlines for selling coffins?
Yes.
Yeah, Costco definitely has sold things over the years that are like off-brand from their hot dogs and, you know, big things of cereal.
But it's also things that people either need or want to invest in, right? I mean, a coffin, we don't want to think about it, but eventually you're going to
you don't want your family saddled with that.
No.
But I mean, so the gold bars were like, okay, they're selling out. Does that mean they're a good investment? Well, maybe not. The 1 ounce gold bars were selling for just under $1,900. They are no longer available on the Costco website, and the company hasn't said if they'll be restocking, but are these gold bars a golden investment? A money expert with Bankrate says while they're a good conversation piece and definitely flashier than a savings account, he says gold bars are typically not a great investment. That's because you've already lost money as soon as you buy it. You're usually paying $80 to $100 above the spot value of gold, and if you wanted to sell, you'd have to pay a commission as well.
So you're going to have to pay more than the spot value when you purchase, and you'll receive less than the spot value when you go to sell. And so that could easily run you 10 to 15% of the total value of your investment. That comes right off the top, regardless of how little or much money you've made in it.
Jim Royal with Bankrate says if you're interested in wagering on the price of gold, a better investment into the market is through an exchange-traded fund, so you don't have to pay those dealer markups, the dealer in this case being Costco, and you wouldn't have to pay a commission when you sell. But those gold funds can be risky due to market fluctuations. Over the last 15 years, gold has appreciated by about 4.5%, but the S&P 500 index, it's returned about 11% over that same period of time. So why would anyone buy these Costco gold bars then? Well, Royal says gold is typically marketed toward unsophisticated buyers during inflationary times when people are operating on fear. I will tell people, look, having higher interest rates, for the most part, not a good thing. It is a good thing, though, for these high-yield savings accounts, for CDs, that sort of thing. So if you're looking for where you should put some extra money, probably not great to buy the gold bars unless you just want to have a conversation piece. Maybe you just want to say, hey, look what I bought at Costco. I mean, it's an expensive thing to say.
You have all this extra money laying around.
You just have $1,900 laying around.
Exactly.
You know, but
it's
at this point, it is interesting. It's got us talking. It obviously had people buzzing, but it's probably not a great investment.
Well, I'm glad you sorted that out for us, Christine.
No problem.
Thank you.